In this video, we will guide you through the process of using the 922S5 proxy within MuLogin. To begin, please open the 922S5 client. On the port proxy page, you will find an option labeled Filters. Click on it to select the desired country, city, and other criteria for the IPs you wish to extract. Once you have made your selections, kindly click Confirm. After the proxy list refreshes, please choose an IP that you would like to extract, right-click on it, and forward it to an available port. Next, navigate to the port forward list located below, locate the extracted IP, and click the Copy button on the right. Subsequently, open the MuLogin client. In the left sidebar under Browser Manage, select Browser List, and then click Add Browser on the right. You will need to assign a name to this port. Then, scroll down to Proxy Settings, click the selection box on the right, and choose SOCKS 5. Here, you can paste the IP information copied from 922S5, and enter the port number in the designated field. Finally, please click Save to complete the setup. When you click the Open button, a browser window will open automatically. In this window, you may visit AppInfo to check the current IP information. You should find that it matches the one extracted from 922S5, enabling you to utilize the 922S5 proxy within MuLogin effectively.